What's up everybody, it's Kellen and Alex. We're here to talk about two of our most popular best-selling two-stroke exhaust systems. In front of me, I have the FMF Fatty Shorty combination. It's gonna be geared more towards track riding, racing, really boost that power band and give you that crisp, clean sound. Alex, what do you got?
Yeah, I got the Gnarly Pipe and the Turbine Core 2 silencer in front of me. The Gnarly Pipe, a little more geared towards your off-road rider. It's gonna have thicker plated metal, more protection against roots and rocks when you're out on the trail. The Turbine Core 2 is gonna come with a spark arrestor in it. That's gonna keep you legal while you're out there riding the trails. Together, this combination is gonna give you a lot more low end, which is what you need when you're out there on the trails. Great combination, something I always run.
Nice. Do you have any installation tips for these?
Yeah, for the pipe specifically, a couple things you're gonna need. You always wanna make sure you have new springs if yours are worn out. You're also gonna want a spring tool. It's gonna make your life a lot easier when you take those on and off. These pipes do come with the cylinder O-rings, so you're all good there. You're gonna have new ones when you put this on. And the other part you might want, there's a grommet that goes between the silencer and the pipe. If yours is not in good condition, you're definitely gonna wanna get a new one when you order a new exhaust.
Nice.
Do you have any tips for the silencer?
Yeah, I would say my tip, guys, is just definitely be sure to either order new ones of these OEM rubber grommets here for your silencer specifically, or just save the ones from your old silencer. It can get weird when you go to put this on, things jiggling around. You definitely want these fresh so that you have a nice, secure connection, no leaks, no oil on the boot, and you get all your power. We're going to talk about some four-stroke exhausts. These are two of the most popular offerings from some of our biggest brands. In front of me is the Pro Circuit stainless slip-on. I actually have this on my bike. I ride a 19 Cowie 450. Some of the things I noticed when putting this on was increase in throttle response, makes it quite a bit snappier. It actually saves a really good amount of weight, and it even shortens it up a little bit. Alex, what do you got?
Yeah, in front of me, I have the full system from Yoshimura. This is actually the same one I have on my Honda. The big benefit of this is overall weight savings. You're replacing all the OEM parts, and these are all quite a bit lighter in the stainless model. These are also offered in a full titanium version. That's going to be quite a bit lighter even compared to the stainless, and it's going to look pretty cool. It's got some cool rainbow coloring to it. You know, this exhaust is something that's going to give you the most performance gain on your bike. When you're changing the entire exhaust system, you're going to get a much better power curve, crisper throttle, deeper sound. It's just kind of, you know, if you want to get the most out of your motor, this is what the best thing you can do to your stock system. Nice.
Do you have any installation tips for these guys?
Yeah, when you're doing a full system, so it's going to be a few more pieces compared to like a two-stroke or a slip-on. So make sure you follow the instructions that come with these from the manufacturer. They're all a little bit different, but they all send really good instructions along. My kind of biggest tip for this is once you're done, make sure you wipe everything off. If you have any kind of dirt, grease, fingerprints on the header or the muffler, it'll kind of get stained on there after you heat cycle it for the first time. So just make sure it's good and clean before you start it up.
Awesome. Yeah, and what you can also do is just wear a nice set of nitrile gloves, rubber gloves, something like that. That'll also help prevent with the fingerprints. And when you're going to install these, definitely take care to either save the stock rubber grommets from your factory system or go ahead and order some new ones. Those are going to be real important. Those are nice and new. And then also get yourself a nice spring puller. It's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier when you're putting these things on.
Thanks for watching. For more information about parts and tools used in this episode, visit MotoSport.com or chat with a gearhead. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips.